First, I want to thank the healthcare workers who have really put themselves on the front lines through the COVID-19 crisis, have really done an amazing job to make sure our communities are safe. We have many friends and families who have stepped up in this time of need to make sure that we are safe, and we want to thank them. We also want to thank the essential workers who have been out there putting themselves at risk, making sure that the rest of us are getting the necessary food and supplies that we need during this time. And I want to put a specific shout out to the Milford School District, who has done an amazing job at making sure that our community is well supported. Over the last 7 weeks, they have created a food drive-through at several locations throughout the Milford School District, including schools, for families with food insecurities. They have served grab-and-go lunches for students, and also partner with the Food Bank of Delaware to hand out 50-pound food boxes for families in our district. So the community has really come together during this crisis in the last 7+ weeks, and I look forward to working with all those individuals in the future, including our business owners and our community, making sure that our economic crisis is met as well. Many of you may not know that BB's Restaurant on Front Street is giving out personal protection equipment every week, and you can go to their Facebook page to see when those are. That is actually next to the State Service Center in Milford in downtown, which is doing more COVID-19 testing. I believe they have 3 more test dates for the month of May. You can go onto our Facebook page to see when that is. And right across the street, BB's Restaurants will be handing out PPE as well. So our community has really stepped up in many ways through the private sector, the public sector, the nonprofits, and I'm really proud of everyone who has really been there for our community through this health crisis and now pushing forward through our economic crisis as well. It has been an amazing feeling to see a community support itself and support communities outside of ours as well. I know in the downtown Milford business community, one thing we have done is we have had Zoom meetings with our business partners, and understanding that this is really a two-way street as we go into phase 1 and the governor lifts some of these restrictions on these non-essential businesses. We understand that it's not only us getting back to business, but it's also about consumer confidence as well. And we want to make sure as business owners that we ensure our customers, our consumers, our community, that the #1 top priority for us is your health and your safety and the safety of your family. So with Downtown Milford Inc. and with First State Manufacturing, another business in Milford, we are creating open for business kits where we are providing face masks, hand sanitizers, gloves, signage, and other PPE materials for our small businesses so that we can ensure that our families, our staff and their families, and that the families of our communities are safe when they come into our businesses.